Welcome back. Another week, Camp House Barbecue. On today's episode, we're going to be hooking up with a bunch of our YouTube buddies, a bunch of our YouTube friends, more to say, for a collaboration. We are doing a hashtag Tacos Are Life collaboration. Now, guys, you are going to tell by the intro and by my video, I've been busy at the ranch. As you can tell, I'm here at the ranch. We got a full house of hunters again out back. I actually filmed this during the blizzard that we had in Texas. We were able to find a brisket. Our local HEB was wiped out. People started panic buying, and it was crazy. So we were able to pick up a brisket. I got a little slight clip of the shelves at our HEB. It was crazy. But we ended up picking up a brisket. We made some brisket tacos with some homemade flour tortillas and a pico de gallo. We cooked it about, I'm gonna say 9 to 10 hours due to the fact that it was cold. I was having trouble with my pit, Lady May. We seasoned with Crawford's SA and some competition cow powder. So without further ado, hopefully y'all enjoy this, and don't forget to check out everybody with the hashtag Tacos Are Life. Tacos Are Life collaboration. Hit that tag button and give everybody a views and check them out. So let's get started. A tirar botes, no hay más, guys. Taco collaboration, and of course, it wouldn't be Camp House, it was going to be brisket tacos. So we're going to be doing brisket tacos for our taco collaboration. Y'all make sure to check out all these other guys' videos. We're going to be putting out some great content. It's going to be fun. We're starting off with an 11-pound prime brisket from our local HEB. So, you can see, that's how this sucker's gonna start, right there. I don't have no gloves, I'm cooking for the family. Sharpen it up. And I'm not gonna go too bad on it, but then again, I always say that, and then I end up doing a competition trim. But I won't try not to do it due to the fact that, got some good marbling on it. Get flat there. Line it up. Just a little notches where to follow. That off. Out of your way. And we just got done with our Texas blizzard, but it's starting to come down again. So, might be cooking out in the snow today. That's the first for me. I'll round that out. Nothing crazy. All this off right now, I'll get on it. As far as that's concerned, I think that's going to be it. I told you. I wasn't going to do much, and I get a little carried away. I won't do much of it. I do all that alone. The back side is pretty good. Back side is good to me. Not going to mess with it. Maybe take a little sliver right here. About it. This one's good to me. I just take one cut right here just to get all that stuff off the trial that. And that's about it. I'll go ahead and I'm gonna do my get all that silver skin. Season can adhere onto it. Nice long stroke. Flip it over so you can see where you're going. Flip it over. Flip it over. Flip it over. Flip it over. Follow it down. Up. That wants to come, let it come. Flip it over. And we got fortunate that brisket was left at our local grocery store due to this winter storm. People started buying everything out. There were 7 briskets left on the shelf. I'll include a video. I think it was 6 or 7 briskets. And I was fortunate to get one. Told the wife, I said, well, make a brisket. We can eat off of it a couple of days. We can make tacos. We can make, you know, whatever we need to make. But yeah, it's going crazy. People going a little crazy. But what do you expect? We're not used to this. It's not our weather. Brisket a little colder, perfectly fine too. We just got power back on today. We've been out of power for a couple of days. Yeah. Didn't see that cut on that brisket, but yeah. But I'll get it there. I'm gonna leave it alone and start messing with it. Start getting all creative with it. But I think that's gonna be about it. This guy, I'm not gonna go all competition. Just gonna clean it up. What it is. Take this. Get some more sliver right here. Come on. I'm going for yield on this one, so don't leave it alone. Round out these edges. Probably won't do anymore. Keep the meat on it. That's gonna be it. See that? I don't know how many times. If y'all counted how much I said, that's gonna be it. That's not it. That's the competition guy in me, wanting to clean it up more. But for this video purposes, that's gonna be it. All right, let's get to seasoning. One more thing I forgot to mention, guys. It's not a pro tip, whatever they say. So you see how your grain's going this way? This way? Once you get your bark and everything on there, sometimes the grains start, you know, everything looks the same. So you want to know where your grain is, that way when you start cutting, you cut against the grain. So this is running at a parallel like this. So I put a little notch right here. That way you know where your grains are running. So your rays are going this way, where you get your notch, you're going to start cutting across the grain. So your notch is always going to be your grain coming this way. And that tells you, once your bark settles, like you said, everything kind of looks the same. You go from your notch and go against the grain. There's your camp house tip of the day. Alright guys, so for our binder, we're going to use a little bit of avocado oil. Like I said, we ain't got much of anything out in our local supermarket, so we're just improvising with what we got at home. You know? Oh well. We do, luckily we have some Crawford SA. That's gonna be our base layer. Nice and good. Give it to it. Tonight we're gonna be cooking on, well, today, not tonight, on Lady May. I love that little pit. What's up? I've seen her in my videos. And our top layer is gonna be competition pig powder, or cow powder, sorry, got it mixed up. Uncle Steve. So, we're gonna hit it with some of this one. Backside. Get it. Mix it over. Same avocado oil. Just as a binder. I don't have no W sauce, mustard, and everything at our market. So, once again, the SA. Crack 2 crevices. And then our cow powder. What I like to do when I season the front, like I said, we pat them in, don't rub it in. I like to pick up my brisket, pull it up, and there'll be a bunch of cracks and crevices at the beginning, and put it back in there, and you'll get them. And here's a little trick of the trade. I don't have any, I'm out of my 16 mesh coarse black pepper, but fresh pepper will be. Alright, now we're gonna let that work in there. We'll go fire up the pit and we'll get her going. She's in. It's I put a bag of hardwood charcoal as a base fire, and I got a stick of mesquite in there right now, and I've got a stick of hickory. And you can probably tell there's freaking snow. This is unreal for South Texas, but here we are smoking a brisket in the snow. I know it's not much for some of y'all. Hey, that's not snow, but that's more snow than I've seen in my life these past couple of days. So, all right, I'm gonna let it ride out and take a smoke bath. We'll check back later. Well, it's an update. It's snowing somewhat up here. Let's check on this brisket. Oh yeah, about an hour in, looking pretty good. Just give it a little spritz and we'll come back in a bit. I don't know how Johnny Mags and Kent do it up north with 10 times as much snow as here, but it's pretty fun. We'll check back in a bit. Hour number 1. And we got some little flares coming down. Tell. It's going. First hooks up. 3:30. I just put another log, got a little wild out. What it's looking like.